Here is how you can make iPhone notifications sound louder. Let me explain and show you some steps you can take. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. Inside of your main settings app, you can at first find the sounds and haptics menu. It is part of the main list, so you should be able to easily find it and just get there, and we have the ringtone and alerts volume control. And this is the setting which lets you change volume and how loud your phone gets, but only for incoming calls and notifications, right? So it's not the same thing as the content volume, which can be accessed easily in the control center, but this is just for the alerts and ringtone. So make sure you push it to the right. It's going to preview the sound and how loud it gets, so you get to sort of decide while you're setting this up. But the point is that this is one of the best things you can do to bump up the volume. So yeah, you also have some more options. You can as well play around with the different settings below. Like for example, for your text message notifications, you can choose something which is going to be a little bit louder, even though you only pick between like different styles, but you might find that some specific ringtone sounds a bit louder or clearer than the other, so try switching to a different one, right? And this could also make a difference in here. Outside of that, there are also other third-party apps which have their own settings. For example, on the main page, if you go to the WhatsApp, the apps at the bottom, and then find WhatsApp from the list right here, you can see some options and notifications and stuff. And if you just link yourself over into the WhatsApp app, you should also be able to see some additional settings about it, right? So you will have the ability to just kind of like change the settings for individual apps, right? So either use the blanket approach to change the settings or go app by app, which depends on the actual application. But I hope it helps. I wanted to explain the way that you can approach this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you later in the future uploads.